Ahead. So we could continue. For the previous video, we just do styling for our search component. So at least now it look good. It look based on the design, or even better past the design itself. So good job. But now we still get something to do. We still need to control the default, because right now we know if it, maybe set the default value for this search component. And waiting really this search component will do. Now just if you look at our design, the search component has to filter the posts. So we need to get control over the search. And we talk, say, when we design this page, we talk about the state. So we'll go keep state, and one of the state we'll go keep now be search term. So now this video now we'll go implement that one, but we're not going to use the search term yet because we don't get any post to filter, but we need that value. So now we'll go see for this video be that. So we could begin. We get currently now, say here with the log, we just log the value. So if you go to the browser, we log the value in. But we'll come out that one now. We'll use what they call useState, which is React hooks. So we could see how to use them. The first thing we will do, we will create array. So to manage state, now we want to manage the state of that search term. Now the process with this. First, we get array. The first value for this array will be the search term. The second value will be the function we go set them in case it change. So we'll call them set search term. And now we will come do use state. Use state. And anything we will put inside here, now it will be the default value. So we could just put testing from app component. So how do we get this use state? We go get them from React. So make I just go to the top. I like to import React for the top of the file. So first we import React, and then we're going to import use state. And all these packages, they come from React. Okay, now we don't get them. Now how we want to use them? This search term, this set search term, we'll just use them here. We change this one. The copy no work. So we change this one. We also change this one. Then we could go the search component. We'll change this one to set search component, and here we'll just get function, arrow function, then we'll give event, and this arrow function will invoke that set search term, and inside we'll go pass on the event. We'll pass on the event dot target, the same thing we will do for the app component, dot target the value. So now we could see, okay, no error for the console. So we could go check the browser. If I refresh now, nothing there. So we could see why, because we know they set the value. So we'll just come here, we'll say value. Inside this one now, we'll just put this one to be, just in case we won't set the initial value. So we'll just do set, we'll just do search term. So we could put that one here as the value, and we'll come here to pass an in as a prop. So we could check. You see, testing from app component. If you delete them, and it delete. You see. So if we refresh, and if we come back to the app component, and I just make this one empty, it will just be empty. You see, it will be empty. So we don't need this function anymore. Yeah, I think now based on this one, now we don't finish, at least for now, we don't finish what we're supposed to do for the search component. The next video now we're going to talk about creating a post, and it's really interesting. So I hope you might learn something for this video. If you get any question, just comment for the video. I will put the links to the previous video for this video, so if you never watch those ones, you will just easily navigate. So if you never subscribe to the channel, make you subscribe so that anytime I post new video, YouTube will notify you. Ahead.